So I did some additional work on my landing page template and I'm going to show you. Yes, I'm still on light mode because it was easier to see when this was messed up as opposed to dark mode. But anyway, so I don't think much looks different. However, what I did do was for these, I'm going to call them blurbs, I ended up making them the full page height because I was like, something looks weird about them, and I determined, yeah, it looks way better when it is the full page height, as you can see. And so I did that. I also had to adjust the way the sliders were, and the sliders were giving me weird issues because the background was not extending the full length, even though it was clear that these were, like the actual slider thing was. But I fixed it. I also had to adjust how these look. I'm not exactly happy with the spacing for this. It might be worth me experimenting a little bit more, but like, I don't know. So it looks good for the second one, but not so much for the, well, the second one, not really. Like the first one, it looks good. This one, not so. So if I go here, it's definitely, actually, wait. Let me just actually go over here, and I'm just gonna lower this to like 81. Trying not to mistype stuff. Still not exactly happy with that. Let's try again. Let's do 72. A little bit better. 60. Let's do 60. That sounds good. Okay, that looks much better. So, yeah. So I did fix these blurbs. I also fixed this not having any, does not having any images. I think this looks great. It looks exactly the way I would want it to look. Here's dark mode, which is what I obviously would normally be using. It doesn't get messed up because of the way that I set it. Yeah, all this looks really, really good. Ooh, I'm gonna cry. I'll be honest, I actually feel like I did almost nothing today, but it's not so much that I didn't do almost nothing. I actually did a lot. It's just that normally I would be able to like strike stuff off in my bullet journal, but the amount that I did that I could strike off that I put in my bullet journal isn't done. I'm also having some mixed feelings, some conflicting feelings about just a direction that I'm going in that I believe is just makes me want to hurry up and put up the landing page. The landing pages. It's almost done. I'm definitely in a final strat. This just means that I'll be working on the tablet and mobile layouts, the styling for those. Then I have a couple more components that I would like to create. Then I want to convert all of it into TypeScript, and then I believe it will be ready for me to start using the way I want it to be used. So we're in the final stretch. It's taken a while, but I'm almost there. Finish line.